We no angel dust, label us notorious. Thug ass niggas that love the bus, it's strange to us. Y'all niggas be scrambling, gambling, up restaurants with mandolins and violins. We just sitting here trying to win, trying not to sin. High off weed and lots of gin, so much smoke need oxygen. Steadily counting them Benjamins, nigga you should too. If you knew what this game would do to you. Been in this shit since '92. Look at all the bullshit I've been through. So-called beef with you know who. Fucked a few female stars or two. Then I blew like niggas blue like Mike shit. Not to be fucked with, motherfucker better duck quick. Cause me and my dogs love the buck shit. Fuck the luck shit, strictly aim. No aspirations to cut the game. Spit your game, talk your shit, grab your gat, call your clip, squeeze your clip, hit the right one. Pass that weed, I got the like one. All them niggas, I got to fight one. All them hoes, I got to like one. Our situation is a tight one. What you gonna do? Fight or run? Seems to me that you'll take me. Rolling big, nigga, die slowly. I'ma tell you like a nigga told me. Cash roll everything around me. Shit, lyrically, niggas can't see me. Fuck it, buy the coke, cook the coke, cut it. Know the bitch before you call yourself loving it. Nigga with a bench fucking it. Doesn't it seem hard to you? Big come through with mobs and crews. Good fellas down to the most of dudes. Who's the killer? Me or you?
We forgive you, for you know not what you do.
7 a.m. woke in the morning with Henny, caffeine, and green, and nicotine. No dose, so pop a couple of dope that I ripped up. Nigga, Mr. Clean, nigga, clean. Deep in my temple, and I do get sentimentally stained with my instrumentality. And heated, especially for your team in the 45. And D will be between the scenes, destroy your dreams. You willing to die? We'll see. How many feasts when it calls the scene we mean? Mug, mold, trying to be perfect. Disciples with a survival tongue of a double-edged sword. Triple, 6 rivals spitting fire. This the real true bitch. Breaking out for lies, my massage. Better be ready for Armageddon. Shit expired. It's wild, blessed the child that whatever became a man. Put in positions already paid. All that I had to do was stay. Test me now. Contend never else I run and not pretend. Pick up my pen and my hand. Thought I might trust a friend. Hey, open the last see it for real. We all suited, beg my pardon in the morning. Maybe we ain't marching, we shooting in there. Every crew in there's a football. Every day in the ghetto, we start them off fiddle and get them a bottle and a pen and pad to hit the level. Kick it down.
To the dome with a shot of burn. Never glue back to the curb. Me feeling that urge to spurt. But I'm broke as fucks and giving that mouse burst swerve. Up into my bag, cause I gotta get my mask and shells to put in this 12 gauge sound off. Get them out off, nigga, y'all lost, take it out off. Get a nigga count off. But the bottom, I let the fist swimming and thinking the cut. And let the Mohammed, I'm falling in love. And bitch, I just think I'm with fucking, I'm good, that's fucked up. Now let me get done with the crime. Gotta go purchase a dime. Put in the state to get done with the crime. Smoking the reefer to ease my mind. Swig some wine. Step on the block with the rocks, but really me staring them dumb and see. Get the fuck up on down if you come back talking like give me back my money. Thugging with me, killers need us a leader in liquor, but niggas ain't got shit. But it's all off popcorn, so they get pissed on now. Who's ready to get back? Nigga like me feeling for them green leaves, but I ain't got no dough. Gotta make some money, so I'm making my dummy rocks if I go broke.
It's gonna big it, big it. 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 Let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Get high, get high, get high. Come on, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Get high, get high, get high.
Little light hat coming in the form of scripture. Finna get you and hit you with magic. Dropping down lists, but I call them my gadgets. With an automatic status, we spread that I load the glass, but I'm thinking now. There's another E4 telling me to do what I gotta do, so I up a pipe and nigga die tonight. And I'm always running for the boys in blue. Biggie boots on my ass now, go out the sailor phone, the car bone, what's hiding? Grab artillery, niggas start packing. Cause a motherfucker try to get me in the jacket, and it did him. Hit him right between the eyes, spots wide. Wanna test a nigga's size, then it cost him. Nigga fuck around with the raw shit, jogging, move murdered all day, all day. We done played away and I'm on the run. I'ma call my boys to bring all the guns. Y'all
I sit alone in my four-cornered room staring at candles. Oh, that shit is on? Let me drop some shit like this here. At night I can't sleep, I toss and turn. Candlesticks in the dark, visions of bodies being burned. Four walls just staring at a nigga. I'm paranoid, sleeping with my finger on the trigger. My mother's always stressing I ain't living right, but I ain't going out without a fight. See, every time my eyes close, I start sweating and blood starts coming out my nose. It's somebody watching the act, but I don't know who it is, so I'm watching my back. I can see him when I'm deep in the covers. When I awake, I don't see the motherfucker. He owns a black hat like I own, a black suit and a cane like my own. Some might say take a chill, B, but fuck that shit. There's a nigga trying to kill me. I'm popping in the clip when the wind blows. Every 20 seconds got me peeping out my window. Investigating the joint for traps. Taking my telephone for taps. I'm staring at the woman on the corner. It's fucked up when your mind is playing tricks on you.
I make big money, I drive big cars, everybody know me. It's like I'm a movie star, but late at night, something ain't right. I feel I'm being tailed by the same sucker's headlights. Is it that fool that I ran off the block? Or is it that nigga last week that I shot? Or is it the one I beat for $5,000? Thought he had cane, but it was gold, met a flower. Reached under my seat, grabbed my papa for the suckers. Ain't no use to me lying, I was scared than a motherfucker. Hook the left in the Popeyes and bail down quick. If it's going down, let's get this shit over with. Here they come, just like I figured. I got my hand on the motherfucking trigger. When I saw 'em, make your ass start giggling. 3 blind, crippling, crazy senior citizens. I live by the swamp. I take my boys everywhere I go because I'm paranoid. I keep looking over my shoulder and peeping around corners. My mind is playing tricks on me.
Day by day it's more impossible to cope. I feel like I'm the one that's doing dope. Can't keep a steady hand because I'm nervous. Every Sunday morning I'm in service, praying for forgiveness and trying to find an exit out the business. I know the Lord is looking at me, but yet and still it's hard for me to feel happy. I often drift when I drive, having fatal thoughts of suicide. Bang and get it over with, and then I'm worry-free, but that's bullshit. I got a little boy to look after, and if I die, then my child will be a bastard. I had a woman down with me, but to me it seemed like she was down to get me. She helped me out in this shit, but to me she was just another bitch. Now she's back with her mother. Now I'm realizing that I love her. Now I'm feeling lonely. My mind is playing tricks on me.
This year Halloween fell on a weekend. Me and Ghetto Boys are trick-or-treating, robbing little kids for bags, till an old man got behind our ass. So we speeded up the pace, took a look back, and he was right before our face. He'd be in for a squabble, no doubt, so I swung and hit the nigga in his mouth. He was going down, we figured, but this wasn't no ordinary nigga. He stood about 6 or 7 feet. Now that's the nigga I be seeing in my sleep. So we triple teamed on him, dropping them motherfucking bees on him. The more I swung, the more blood flew. Then he disappeared, and my boys disappeared too. Then I felt just like a fiend. It wasn't even close to Halloween. It was dark as fuck on the streets. My hands were all bloody from punching on the concrete. Goddamn, homie. My mind is playing tricks on me.
the king of the jungle.
That storybook stuff. Tiger's by far the best fighter.
I didn't know that.
You should. You're a zoologist, aren't you?
Yes, of course, but then I haven't had your practical experience.